Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and please give my video a thumbs up. Also click on
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe to this channel, join the family, go through my videos, improve your skin and all of that. So if you watched my previous video, I'm trying to like get a shade or two lighter, and anytime I try to use a new product I have breakouts on my face, but it's not going to last long. That's all this. So today's video I'm talking about this sweetheart here, and then I either go for this company. I think this is a UK company. I go for Hemani products, or El Hawak, but this is more stronger. I'd advise you using drops. Anytime you buy an essential oil and then you see this particular amount, that means you need to like measure it with the drop here. But if you buy an essential oil and then you don't see the amount, it's not like really toxic as normal essential oils, so maybe they've already diluted it. So this tea tree oil is an essential oil. It's just like peppermint oil. It's just like lavender oil. It has some of those properties that they have. These oils, they're really good for skin. They're really good to protect your skin. It has like an antiseptic property that helps you to protect your skin. It's also good for pimples. Like I see a lot of reviews about this stuff and pimples, but on a normal tea tree, it's good for pimples. It helps you to dry up your pimples. Or I've had this for like getting to like 6 months, but before then I already use Hemani products for my tea tree, for my creams and all of those things. I use Hemani tea tree products. So Hemani product, like I said, is not as concentrated as this. So the mistake I made with this one was that I thought it was not as concentrated. That's why I taught you guys how to identify the ones that are really concentrated with this their drop mouth here. I opened the drop mouth when I bought this one and poured half of it inside my lotion. Guess what? I had rashes. Like I had rashes all over my body, and I started having breakouts on my face. So I figured out that this was too much in the lotion because the lotion was really smelling like Dettol. So this is like an antiseptic. It is for skin, it's for nails. They say apply 1 or 2 drops of neat oil to a cotton wool, swab or bud, and gently apply as required. For external use, keep away from eyes. Asthmatic should not inhale. I'm actually asthmatic, but it's not severe. If you suffer from epilepsy, skin allergies, or you're pregnant or using homeopathic remedies, seek professional advice before use. It is recommended that essential oils are not to be used on babies under 1 year of age. If your baby is suffering from all of those things that babies suffer from, boys, don't use this on your child. Or if your child is under 1 year, do not use this. Flammable liquid to be and vapor, harmful if swallowed, causes skin irritation. That's what happened to me. Too much of it made me have skin irritation. May cause an allergic skin reaction, cause serious eye irritation, may cause respiratory irritation, may cause drowsiness or dizziness. Toxic to aquatic life, fishes, and long-lasting effects. Keep out of the reach of children. So this is what this says on the bottle. It has already told you guys what to do, but this is really nice for pimples, acne. You're treating your pimples, your acne. I'm going to advise you to just put it in your lotion or a little bit in your face cream, like a little drop in your face cream. Like I do not advise people to rub it directly on their face because I just feel like it's too harsh for it. Even if it says it here, you apply it to a cotton or a board and then apply it on your pimple or whatever. So I prefer it inside the cream or whatever. People say they use it, they put any oil of their preference and then put this and use it as a toner with a board or a cotton. So that they say it works for them, but me, I just advise putting it in lotion. If you want your, maybe you're having eczema or man skin issues, because people do have different skin issues. I'm sure you have not even heard of it. When you see someone having skin issues, the one you have not heard of, you'll be really surprised. And then if you still if you use your body cream on your face, it goes well too. But if you do not, you can still add it in your serum, in your face cream for your pimples and your acne. So this has been used for like years. Mind you, they have tea tree carrier oil, tea tree essential oil. What is carrier oil and what is essential oil? I'm going to give you a little explanation on both of them, and then we make a video of them like 1 or 2 times. But essential oils are really concentrated oils of a specific plant or fruit. So like tea tree now, it's a plant, I guess. This is like the concentrated part, the oil gotten from it. So they have the carrier oil. The carrier oil is the one that they've already mixed it, like, but has this tea tree inside of it. It is not as strong as this. You can add any amount of that one you want to add in your lotion, or of the carrier oil in your lotion or anything, like any amount, if you know that it's not going to to destabilize the pH balance or whatever. But this is the main deal here. If you're like trying to clean your acne, your pimples, and try to just keep your body clean and remove most of all these skin diseases and all of this thing, it doesn't work once like that. Oh, it's a gradual process. You just tend to do it. It's not tube, it's not serum, it's an oil. You just like use it. So that's all for this video. I'm going to tell you more about different oils, because I always talk about oils. I'm this oil person and it has really worked for me. So if this video was useful, click on my notification bell to get notified whenever I drop new videos. That's if you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. I don't know why people will just be watching somebody's video and know what to like. Just like my videos. So thank you for watching. Bye.